आज भी मैंने ये यूज किया. This is a bit expensive. Wow. Never used a lip patch in my life because this is pink. I'm mad or what? SPF 50. Hi everyone, this is Miss PC and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to have a NYKAA haul. बहुत सारे products मंगाया मैंने. As you can see that I have these two boxes which I'll be unboxing right in front of you. So all of the products are daily essentials we need for the skincare and the body care. So all are important. Some of the products are new to me. जिनके बारे में I have heard great things, so I bought it. And others are the products I'm already using and I have just restocked it because they are really good. So I have two boxes available. So I'm just gonna go with the box one first. Let's open it. These are the products we have in the box one. Let's open it. Okay, so the first product of this haul will be this Neutrogena acne free face wash and it's for rupees 815. I have been using this face wash since I was in school. That time I used to use the yellow one, yellow or orange, whatever that is. Even this I have been using since years, so I really love this one because this is pink. And 6 to 7 years is a very long time if you think about it. Even I didn't realize it until now. And उस टाइम ये फेस वॉश ना उतना ज़्यादा फेमस नहीं था इंडिया में, बट आई सॉ अ फॉरेनर यूट्यूबर और इंस्टाग्रामर यूज इट, सो मैंने भी मंगवा लिया था. एंड सिंस देन आई एम इन लव विद दिस फेस वॉश. And even right now I'm using this face wash. This one is also from Neutrogena and it did a great job. It's just that this grapefruit face wash is more gentle on the skin and feels more hydrated, whereas this one is also good, but when I use it around my eyes, like if अगर गलती से मेरे आँख में चला गया तो बहुत ज़्यादा चलने लगता है. This one didn't let my pimples come back, so I think this is the great purchase. But again I went for this one because this is pink. I'm mad or what? No, this is a really good face wash apart of being pink. So the second product we have for this haul is this L'Oreal Scalp Advanced Oil Free Clay Mask kind of. It's a shampoo and it's for rupees 1150. This is the shampoo. I'm already using it and ये almost खत्म भी हो चुका है. Let me show you. आज भी मैंने ये यूज़ किया. So I restocked it and मैं ये बस अपने स्कैल्प पे यूज़ करती हूँ, नॉट ऑन माई लेंथ, बिकॉज ये लेंस को और ज़्यादा ड्राई कर देता है. बिकॉज द मेन मोटिव ऑफ दिस शैम्पू इज टू रिमूव द ऑयल फ्रॉम योर स्कैल्प, राइट? सो आई यूज़ अ डिफरेंट शैम्पू ऑन माई लेंस. Okay, so this shampoo I use it on my scalp before I go to bath. I damp my hair and I put it on my scalp and then I massage it and let it be for a few minutes, then I go to take shower. So this shampoo removes all the oil from your scalp and delays the oil secretion. I won't say that it removes and doesn't come back, obviously, unlike the other shampoos जो आज shampoo किया and tomorrow you feel your hair like greasy, oily. That doesn't happen. At least it delays like for 2 or 3 days. I think there is nothing we can do for the oily scalp. Trust me, I have used each and every shampoo or other scalp serum or everything, but nothing actually helped. But at least we can rely on this shampoo so that this will just delay the oil secretion, so that you don't have to shampoo every day. The third product we have is this WishcareSunscreen body lotion and SPF 50. It's for rupees 399 only. This is the first time I'm using this body lotion. I didn't have a body lotion with the SPF 50. I needed this to use it when I go out in the sun and wear shorts or something. And I don't know why कि मेरा skin बहुत ही ज़्यादा जल्दी tan हो जाता है. Like even if मैं 2 मिनट भी सन में रहूँ ना, लाइक डायरेक्ट सनलाइट अगर आए तो मेरा स्किन एकदम ब्लैक हो जाता है, जल जाता है वो एरिया. मैं उतना ज़्यादा बॉडी लोशन यूज़ नहीं करती हूँ बिकॉज आई डोंट लाइक माई बॉडी टू फील ऑयली और स्टिकी एट ऑल. आई नो देर आर लोशंस लाइक जो ग्रीसी नहीं बनाता बॉडी को, बट स्टिल आई डोंट यूज़ इट. समटाइम्स वी डोंट रियली हैव अ ऑप्शन. लाइक विंटर्स में आई हैव टू यूज़ अ बॉडी लोशन, सो फॉर दैट टाइम आई यूज़ दिस NYKAA Wonderlust strawberry body lotion, and whenever I use this I feel like a chocolate smelling like strawberry. Fourth product of this haul is this NYKAA Clay Cool Mask and it's for rupees 539. This is again my first purchase. I wanted this since a very long time, but I don't know why I didn't bought it. But now that I have this, I'll include this in my skincare and I'll do it on the weekends especially and chill. I have got the oil control variant, but there are more variants available like anti-acne, spot corrector, daily detox. I also wanted the daily detox one, but I'll get it the next time. For now, I'll use this and I'll share my honest review with you guys in my upcoming YouTube videos, so stay tuned. Now moving to the box 2, but before opening it, I just want you to subscribe to my channel right now. We are so close to 1k subscriber and I'm sure this video is going to help me achieve my first milestone, so please subscribe it. So this is the second box. We have few items over here. Let's unbox. Okay, so the fifth item of this haul is this TONYMOLY toner, the Chok green tea watery skin toner, and this one is for rupees 1350. This is my first time purchasing this toner. I know this is a bit expensive, but अभी जो मैं toner use कर रही हूँ ना, वो इससे भी ज़्यादा expensive है. Let me show you. मैं अभी ये toner use कर रही हूँ. It's from Thank You Farmer rice water toner and I got this for rupees 2500. I am not consistent with my skincare, इसलिए ये इतना time चल पाया, वरना ये 3-4 महीना आपका चल जाएगा easily. As you can see कि इतना बाकी है and I am not repurchasing this toner because like जितना I'm paying for this toner, I think there should be some magical changes to my skin, but वैसा कुछ हुआ नहीं. But other than that, it is good to my skin. It doesn't let pimples come back or it doesn't dry out my skin, है ना. This one is nice, but I'm not repurchasing this. But if you want to, you can. This is a good product. I'm using this product since a year now, but I'm not consistent with my skincare, so I'm not sure कि maybe consistent होने से it should have been more nice, but not bad. So I purchased this. I have a very high expectation with this toner because I have heard great things about this, and this one also has the green tea in it, which is really good for the oily skin like mine. You can see the shine. That is not a highlighter, that's my sweat. So I'll be posting the honest review of this product in my channel, so stay tuned. The sixth item is this TONYMOLY lip patch, Kiss Lovely lip patch, and I got this for free for 1 rupees with the TONYMOLY toner. I have never used a lip patch in my life because I never thought that it is necessarily needed, but now that I have this, I'll include this in my skincare routine on weekend and I'll share the honest review with you guys. So again, stay tuned. So the seventh item we have is this Bronson Professional Foundation Brush and it's for rupees 195. I'm already using makeup brushes from this brand Bronson and I'm sure this one will also be good. Okay, so after a lot of struggle opening this brush is really very soft. I needed this for the foundation, though I never use a foundation. I only put concealer under my eyes and जहाँ जहाँ मेरा marks है यहाँ. Even now I have only used concealer and यहाँ भी concealer, never foundation. मुझे तो याद भी नहीं है कि मैंने last time foundation कब use किया था. Maybe it was in April. शादी सीजन जब चल रहा था, that's why. So again, शादी सीजन तो आ रहा है and festivals are also coming like Durga Puja and all. So उसमें तो foundation I will be using. तो उसमें I'll be needing this brush. I think I should have this in my collection, right girls? So the eighth item of this haul is this Carmesi body razor and it's for rupees 239. I normally use wax now. I never use razor. I used to use it in school time on my legs especially, never on my hands, on my legs only. Wow, लग रहा है कि मैं कोई ज्वेलरी खोल रही हूँ यार. मैंने अगेन ये देख के लिया था, पिंक चाहिए था मुझे. सी कितना स्वीट है ये, छोटा सा क्यूट and it's a very good for traveling. So I purchased this and it's a very cute tiny little razor and इसका packaging भी इतना ज़्यादा cute है ना, what to say. Like we can use it when we travel. So the last but not the least, the ninth product of this haul is this Swiss Beauty loose powder and it's in shade 2 translucent and it's for rupees 263. I can go out of my house without any makeup, but not without a powder, like a powder and a lipstick or a lip balm. So this is what it looks like. It's really cute. I need to put powder since childhood. Like पहले तो हम Pond's का powder use करते थे, but now shifted to the loose powder. My skin is oily, so powder works the best for me. I have used loose powder of many brands, be it expensive like Huda Beauty or be it affordable like Lakme. This time I got my hands on this Swiss Beauty because this brand has been really good to me. All the products which I have used, all of them were really good, so I'm sure this loose powder is also going to be really good to me. बहुत देर हो गया पानी पिए हुए. You guys must be thinking ना कि अभी भी यही बॉटल में पानी पी रही है ये. इसी में पीती हूँ. This was all I purchased from NYKAA this time, and हर महीने मेरे इतने products तो आ ही जाते हैं, but all of them are important normally. So I'm thinking to make a haul video every time I purchase from NYKAA. Also, I'll be using these products and share the reviews and updates on my channel. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon over there so that you don't miss out any videos of mine. And if you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up and comment whatever questions you have or suggestions you have, and also share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.